Hello, my name's Kerry Lewis and I'm a member of the MrBruff.com writing team. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the colon and semicolon in compound sentences. So, what's a compound sentence? Let's read this example. She played football well, so her friends clapped. We can split the sentence into two parts. The first is, she played football well. Who played football well? She, so she is the subject. What did she do? Played, so played is the verb. Most verbs are doing words. The first part of the sentence makes sense by itself, so we call it an independent clause. The second part of the sentence also makes sense by itself. Her friends clapped. Who clapped? Her friends, so her friends are the subject. What did they do? Clapped, so clapped is the verb. This is also an independent clause, and a compound sentence has two independent clauses. The ideas are equally balanced, which is why we have this picture here. They're of equal weight. Both halves of the sentence are joined with the word so, which is a coordinating conjunction, often known as a fanboys conjunction for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Most of the time we have a comma before the conjunction, but if the sentence is very short, we don't need it. Now let's look at when we use the semicolon with a compound sentence. It's very easy. All you do is ditch the comma, ditch the coordinating conjunction and replace with a semicolon. She played football well and her friends clapped. Ditch the comma, ditch and replace with a semicolon. He was tired, so he went to bed early. Ditch the comma, ditch so, replace with a semicolon. She likes chocolate, but her brother prefers crisps. Ditch the comma, ditch but, and replace with a semicolon. Quick tip for you, this works better with so, and but. So that's a semicolon with a compound sentence. Now let's look at the colon with the compound sentence. With the colon, the second independent clause is more important than the first, and that's why we have a different picture of the scales. I like to imagine the colon as a trumpet announcing important news. For example, I can't marry you. I love someone else. She's had the baby. It's a girl. To summarize, we use the semicolon when the information in each part of the sentence is of equal weighting. He locked himself in his room. His girlfriend had ditched him. We use the colon when the second half of the sentence is more important. He locked himself in his room. His girlfriend had ditched him. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to buy a copy of Mr. Bruff's Guide to Grammar, I've put the link in the description below. In the meantime, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.